Hello! Today I will show you how you can use your BodyStylers Suit. When you open your box, you have your BodyStylers Suit, you have your power box, your charging cable. If you use it for the first time, please charge your power box for 2 to 3 hours and not overnight. You have as well your manual on your box. Please read the manual carefully before you start. Make sure that your suit fits properly on your body and not overstretch. This is our BodyStylers Suit. It has a silicone carbon electrodes on the chest, arms, abdomen, legs, back, lower back, and glutes to cover the full body training. You can as well wear a small underwear, but make sure that it do not cover any part of the electrodes. You need to spray a small amount of water on each electrodes and you can wear it directly on your skin. Wear your suit carefully and pull the zipper upward. You can wear the abdominal belt for you to have best contact from the electrodes to your skin. You have as well optional for the arms and for the legs. We advise you as well to do some warm-up before so your body have a good contact with the suit. You can download our BodyStylers app on Google Play Store. Just type EMS BodyStylers for mobile use, and for tablet use, download the HD version. For Apple App Store, just type BodyStylers and click the download. Click Open and sign up for your login details. Enter your gender and your birthday. Add your height and your weight. Allow BodyStylers to access your Bluetooth and please read the safety agreement carefully. Once done and agreed, click Agree. Open your power box. Green color will appear. Click Start and Scan and click EMS on the left side. Allow access to Bluetooth. Once you're connected, blue-green color will appear. Connect your power box on your suit, then put the strap. Select the program and click the arrow. Click the play button and tap all areas to increase. You can increase all or each muscle group. We advise you to increase 5 to 10% to avoid sudden increase of the impulse. When you finished your program, close the app, your power box, and remove. To disinfect, you can put 70% alcohol on each electrodes. Hang it in room temperature and allow it to dry. Soak your suit on the 30 degrees warm water. Add a mild detergent without bleach. You need to soak your clothes. Wash it carefully by hand. Please do not use washing machine. Don't squeeze, and then rinse. After washing your electrodes, you need to place it on the hanger, hang it in the room temperature, and allow it to dry. Please do not put it direct on the sunlight.